Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today we're working on a spiral staircase on a previous deck project that we'd already completed. The spiral staircase is in. We need to add some matching treads. We're using some AZEK products. If you like what you see today, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. All right, so if you turn around, you can see the spiral staircase has been installed, and we're adding a few extra holes into each tread so that we have strategic places that we can install our custom stair treads. And we're making those right now. So this is what the first one looks like. It's got multiple cuts. There's a circle cut here, a straight cut on the back side, and then a curved cut right here that's been cut and sanded. So when you take this and you bring it over here, it sits like that on each of these rises, and then we're fastening from underneath with special screws that are only a certain length so we don't poke through. We've also routed the bottom side of this so that it doesn't catch on this weld right here, which is kind of cool. So we've got that all figured out. We have our templates made, and we're getting hot and heavy right now, so stick around and see how we do, and we'll see if we can't get this thing laced out today. Alright, so we have our first tread made and painted and sanded and filed and ready to go. So now I'm making the back side of each tread, and what I'm trying to do is make sure that they're close to the right fit so that we can sand these edges and file these edges and paint these, and then we'll be ready to start installing these stair treads. So that's the next step, is finishing the back piece, and then we can go on from there. I'm gonna get a layout going for Dustin so that he can pre-drill all the holes on this landing, because it's gonna be quite a few. It's gonna take a minute because some of the staircase treads came pre-punched, kinda. And now we had to add 5 holes per rise for that. Now we got to add about 30 or 40 holes to this thing so that we can install our decking on top of this frame. So I'm going to get Dustin drilling on that so that by the time we make it up here with all our stair treads, then we can start installing the landing treads. Alright, so we got to notch this now. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. For all you weed whackers out there, keep that down while we're trying to shoot our videos. Alright guys, that's all we have time for today. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you checking out this new spiral staircase we just installed. If you have any questions, leave them below, Don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content, like our videos, and don't forget to give us some comments below. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.